Hello and welcome everyone to the walk around video here at your next car, the 2014 64 Reg 320D M Sport Saloon. Vehicle is presented in sapphire black, features the YC body enhancement kit alongside some nice features and options. How you see the car is how you'll purchase it, and if you'd like to know more, you're welcome to go ahead and use the links that are available in the description box. Let's get into talking about the car itself. It's got 20-inch 405 M style alloy wheels. We've added the front splitter and matching gloss black kidney grills, side sill extensions and YC M performance decals. Benefits from the rear privacy glass, rear spoiler and diffuser. As you can see round at the back then, it has also got rear parking sensors. It's a nice, neat, tidy example of the 320D Saloon. It has also got folding rear seat option, which again adds to an already impressive boot size. If we go round onto the passenger side, as you can see, it has got the Dakota leather in black, 3-seat Isofix rear bench. But again, with that split folding seat option, just going to give you that bit more space should it be required. And then round onto the passenger side, where again, everything is very nice and neat and tidy. It's got heated front seats and a 7-speed auto gearbox. We'll go around and take a quick seat inside and just spend 1 or 2 moments highlighting a few of the interior functions and features. Beginning with the multi-function M Sport steering wheel. So you've got cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls. Car's covered just over 77,000 miles. Benefits from the business nav and media, so you've got the sat nav, Bluetooth telephone, DAB radio alongside front CD, USB, AUX and Bluetooth line-in. Let's check the service status. Dual auto climate control with heated front seats. Car isn't due a service for 12,000 miles. And service history wise, as you can see, it's got very good service history with BMW. So if you'd like to know more about this 320D M Sport Saloon, remember that you can go ahead and use the links that are available in the description box. For now though, thank you, take care, bye bye.